What's good, everybody on YouTube, and once again, welcome to my channel by Jalen. My name is Jalen, and you already know the drill. If you haven't already, go watch my previous videos. There's only about 3 videos, only 10 minutes each. Well, that's actually 2 10-minute videos and 1 introduction video, like 40 seconds. But do me a favor and watch both of those. I have some crazy customs I did in those, and I'll save those for you guys when you guys watch them, whoever's watching. But getting back in today's video, what I have is these pair of Air Max 97s, and I got these, I want to say in 2017 or 2018. Just know I got these in high school, and I wore them into the ground. I wore them into the dirt. And you couldn't tell just now because I cleaned them, and I didn't record the introduction before I cleaned them. I'll probably show some pictures now. Just know that they were cooked. They were dirty. And this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to switch up the format a little bit. I'm going to be talking more throughout the video. I think that helps to retain attention a little bit more. But instead of just talking at the beginning and the end, if you see my previous videos, I'm going to be sort of walking you guys throughout the process. But getting back into today's vid, I also have a message, and I mentioned in my introduction vid that I sort of draw from inspiration, and I also, in my videos, I want to spread messages and awareness. So today's message pertains to the fashion industry and clothing industry, and that is that not everything you buy has to be new. And what I mean by that is a lot of people, when they have old clothes, old shoes, or old whatever, the tendency is to throw it away. And in America, I know, with this capitalistic, consumeristic culture, it's so easy to, that's all you think about is just go buy something new. Buy a new pair of shoes, like back to school shopping on everyone. Get new shoes, get new this, get new that. And there's nothing wrong with buying new stuff. But the message I'm trying to spread is that not everything you buy has to be new. And you can take something old, and you can see by the pictures I showed, something cooked like shoes, and you can restore them, or you can customize them, or you can restore and customize. And that's what I'll be doing in this video. And these shoes will be based off of, all my East Coast people have probably seen this lizard, but it's called the Lined Skink. I did some research on it, and it is a black, mostly black lizard with yellow and blue stripes going along it. And I was like, oh my goodness, Air Max 97 is the perfect shoe, perfect base shoe for that because of the lines that go through it already. You can see these flowing lines. It really just reminded me of the lizard. All I got to do is add. And I'll also be adding that on this part. But yeah, and it also happens to coincide with this message that you can restore and you can make old clothes look new. And as always, enjoy the vid. Alright, so now that we've cleaned the shoe, as you can see, what I'm going to do now is tape off the suede uppers, and I'm going to tape off the outsole. And once they're taped off, this coat of white paint that's pretty much faded, scraped off already, I'm going to strip that with some acetone, and then spray a base coat of white. I'll also be taping up around here too, and spraying a base coat of white, and then around these lines and around this midsole, we're going to be doing a gradient from yellow to blue. I messed up. Now that we have this full coat of white on the areas where I'll be doing the gradient, I'll be starting off with the darker color. I might just go and just apply the blue. I might color match it a little bit with some purple and some of this lighter blue, and I'll just go ahead and gradient into yellow. So now that I have the full gradient on these lines and on the midsole, full gradient, blue to yellow. Last step is to apply some finisher, and what I have here is these black and yellow rope laces that I got online on sale for about $2 actually. So that's the final step. Then I'll show some B-roll of the final shoe. If you made it to the end of the vid, I really do appreciate you. Even if you just tuned in general and you're not seeing it, just know. If you're not seeing this, just know that I really do appreciate you. But you know the drill. Let me know that in the comments. If you love it or you hate it, you've changed anything about it. Y'all see the inspiration and y'all see the execution. I mean, I think I did. I think I managed to nail it pretty well. Also coincides with the message. Go ahead, go watch tutorials, go watch whatever. That's how I got into restorations and customization. But or even just send it to somebody who can. Send it to me. But don't always buy something new. Don't always buy new clothes, new shoes. You can always make your old stuff look new. And as always, if you could do me a huge favor and click that subscribe button and that like button, that's only going to boost me a lot more. I got more customs coming on the way. Just know it's more crazy stuff, more stuff you never seen before, trust me. Also, hit that like button, and I'll have both my Instagrams linked down below. You can also follow me on TikTok, and it's the same as my customs Instagram, which is at @byjalen. And I also just started a new page, archive page. It's called byjalen.archive. You can see that. It's gonna be in the bios of all my other accounts. I have to add it in there, but as always, I really do appreciate if you watch the vid, and I'm out. I'm out.